How much did you spend in the past years on fruit fly control?
Yeah, close to somewhere 3,000.
Yeah, per hectare.
Yeah, per hectare. No,
Per hectare.
Per hectare, I have to divide it. You spending almost like let's see, if it is 10 cities by 450, that is like 400 Ghana. Yeah, close to almost 600 Ghana per hectare.
600.
Yeah.
This is the chemicals.
Yes, the chemicals.
Okay, 600
Labor
is the chemicals.
Yes, labor.
And how much is labor?
Labor, you pay them. We spray once or twice a week, depending on the season.
Once or twice a week.
Yes, as it is raining. Once it rains,
yes,
you have to come back the next day and do something and spray.
And how much that? 600 is
yeah,
the
because
chemicals.
I pay labor 40 cedis a day,
yes,
and I take about 3 guys to do this for me, which is like 120 cedis. So in a week, if they have to come like twice a week, look at the amount of money that is going. We're spending.
And if you
money.
think about a season,
The whole season, you are wasting a lot of money. You're spending like 2,000 on labor alone. And you have to
per
employ
hectare.
Yeah, per hectare.
So 2,600. How much is it? Roughly 2,600 guns.
Yeah.
CD. In dollars.
In dollars. Wow, divided
So-
by 5.
Or euros.
Both so far is 5,000 something.
Yes.
5,000 plus.
Yes, 5,000 plus.
So okay. So
divided by 5, that is like almost 1,000.
Yes, let's say about $900.
Yeah, about
$900. And then you get 3 fruits out of 5.
Yes, you get
3 fruits out of 5
Yeah.
infested.
Yes.
With $900.
Yes, and we still the same thing. And
Yes. And you cannot export?
and this amount is even minus the various things that we decide to do locally to try to prevent, like local things we do. Where
Like
we
the
do
traps?
the traps, our local traps and all that.
You
Those
should
ones-
come closer.
those ones are like minus those ones. We don't really put them in cost effective. We don't really cost those ones, but
So $900
Wow.
is what you lose or what you invest
yeah,
for fruit fly control.
yeah,
Now, since you have, let's say, 50% damage,
yeah.
how much that cost you? The 50% of the fruit that you lose.
Yeah, it depends on the season. That is, as I said earlier, the price comes per every season.
Roughly.
So
Yeah, I know.
let's say even if it is 1 CD per kilo, and
This season for your neighbors,
This
when they
season-
lose 50%, what is the
yeah,
minimum?
this season we are looking at it's 1 CD 50 pesos per kilo for each kilo. So
Okay, but 1.5 per kilo.
yeah,
And how many kilos do you have before you lose
yeah,
in total?
yeah, you should be able to make about 3 tons. Yeah, a maximum of 3 tons.
3 tons per hectare.
Yes.
So you
Yeah.
lose 1.5
Yeah.
tons
Yes.
for fruit flies.
Yes.
How much that worth to you if you don't lose it?
That's a lot of money, because if you don't lose, you save a lot
you
to
don't-
reinvest into
Yes.
the farm for the next season. Yeah.
How much it worth? 1.5, double actually 1.5
Yeah.
city, right?
Yeah, 1.5 cities times half, that's 1.5 tons. Because
So-
if you're making 3 tons.
So that will be 2.3 almost,
yes,
right?
Yes.
2.3
Yeah.
tons.
Yep.
And how much that cost? The 2,300 kilos?
That's times 1.5.
Well, actually, this is what it was. 23,000 city.
Yeah.
And so 2,300.
Yeah, 23. That's 2,300.
Yes.
Yeah.
How much is it in dollars?
2,300. That is.
That's about
Yeah,
$500.
$500. Yeah.
Okay.
Less than $500.
Okay, so roughly $1,500 and before 900, so like $1,400
Yeah.
is what you lose
Yes.
directly because of fruit flies.
Yes.
And this is before we say that because of fruit flies, actually you cannot export.
Yes, because of fruit flies, you cannot export.
So you even lose before the war started.
Yeah. So you see, you even lose all your money before the season even starts.
Exactly.
So at the end of the day, you are not forced. You cannot export.